Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson. Etuson, education for better tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please enroll yourself so that you can have all the facilities in your fingertips. So, shall we start today's class? Before that, first tell me, have you watched all the videos related to linear equation in one variable? You have not? Then please watch it. To make it easy for you, I have given the links of all the videos in the description section. So here there you can just click the playlist and you will get all the videos related to class 8. So please watch them so that you can understand the subject in a better way. Shall we start today's class then? So today we are going to solve exercise 2.3 of NCERT book. Then children, all of you are ready with pen and paper? Let us start today's class then. Okay, so before going to exercise, let us solve one or two problems so that you will be comfortable in solving problems from the exercise. Okay, children. So, what is your first problem? That is, solve 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. Okay, so here you can see that in this equation you have a left hand side and right hand side, and in both side you have variables. So how to solve it? So always remember, if you get this kind of equation, you take all the variable to one side and all the constant to the other side so that it becomes easier for you to solve the equation. So shall we start the equation solving? Okay. So now first I will write the original equation as it is. 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. Correct. So then what I am going to do is I will take all the variables to one side and all the constants to the other side. So variable is x here. So what I will do, so here there is 5x and here there is 3 by 2x. So 3 by 2x, when it is transferred to the other side, it becomes negative, that is minus 3 by 2x, that is equal to, and you are going to transpose the 7 by 2 to the other side of the equation. So in that case it will be minus 14 minus 7 by 2. Correct, children? So now let us solve the equation. It's very easy, right? So just 10x minus 3x divided by 2, that is equal to, here you get minus 28 minus 7 divided by 2, that is minus 35 divided by 2. As you have denominator 2 in both left hand side and right hand side, you can cancel it out and you will get 7x is equal to minus 35. Correct or not? Then what will be the value of x? X is equal to minus 35 by 7. What is minus 35 by 7? That is minus 5. Correct. So what will be the solution to this equation? X is equal to minus 5. So now shall we check whether we are correct or not? So how we are going to check that we are correct or not? So it's very simple. Just put the value of x as minus 5 in left hand side and right hand side of the equation. If your left hand side is found out to be equal to the right hand side, then your solution value is correct. So shall we do that? Okay. So what is there in your left hand side? So in your left hand side you have 5x plus 7 by 2. So what I am going to do is, in place of x I will put minus 5. It's very simple. So 5 into minus 5 plus 7 divided by 2. What is 5 into 5? That is 25, and you have a minus sign. So minus 25 plus 7 divided by 2. Correct or not? So that becomes minus 25 into 2, that becomes minus 50 plus 7 divided by 2. This becomes equal to minus 43 divided by 2. Correct or not? Now let us check our right hand side of the equation. So right hand side you have 3 by 2x plus minus 14, right? So again we are going to put x is equal to minus 5. So that is minus 5 minus 14. So it implies 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Then you have to multiply it, so that becomes 28 divided by 2, and that is equal to, again that is equal to minus 43 by 2. Correct or not? So what you had got here? You had got minus 43 by 2 in the left hand side. Correct or not? Now by putting x is equal to minus 5 again in the right hand side, you have got the same answer. So your left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, your solution is correct. So, what is your solution value? So, x is equal to minus 5, which is the correct answer. Correct. So, this is the answer to the solution, and here you have checked your solution. Correct, children? Hope all of you have understood. Shall we go to the next example? Okay. So it is solve 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So compared to the previous problem, it is quite easier one. Correct? So shall we do that? Okay. So you have 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So as in the previous example you did, take all the variable to one side and all the constant to the other side. So 2x minus x is equal to 3 plus 2. So what you have got is x is equal to 5. So soon you got the answer. Now let us check whether you have got the correct answer or not. How you are going to do it? So just do it in this way. What is left hand side now? So your left hand side is 2x minus 3. What next you have to do? Very simple. Put x is equal to 5. So 2 into 5 minus 3. That is 10 minus 3, and your answer is 7. Correct, children? What about your right hand side of the equation? It is x plus 2. What value you have got for x? It is 5, right? So I will put 5 here, and 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Previously what you had got for the left hand side? It was 7, and here also you got 7. So you got that left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation by putting x is equal to 0. So what is your solution value then? X is equal to 5. So the answer you had got was correct, which you have already checked by putting the value x is equal to 5. Correct or not? So now with these two examples, I think you have got an idea how to solve the equations if you have variables in both the side of the equation. So now what next we are going to do? That is exercise 2.3 of your NCERT book. So this is the question which I have taken from your book. So as usual, you have 10 questions and I will do 5 for you, and I will give 5 for you to do it as an complete it as an assignment. Hope you have completed the previous assignment also. But so far I have not got your answer sets. So please, as quickly as possible, solve the problems and send it to me. In the comment section, just attach the file, or you can chat with me and send. I will tell where to give. Okay. So shall we start the exercise 2.3 then? Okay, so always I used to start from question number 1. So today what I will do all the even number of problem and I will give all the odd problem as assignment. Okay, so today I am going to do question number 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, and rest all are homework for you. Okay, shall we start then? Okay, so the first question is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So it implies what I will write. I will take all the variable to one side, that is 5t minus 3t is equal to transposing minus 3 to the other side. It becomes positive. So 3 minus 5. So what will be the answer here? So 2t is equal to minus 2. So what's your answer then? So it implies your t is equal to minus 1. So let us check whether we are correct or not. What is there in left hand side? That is 5t minus 3. So what next we are supposed to do? We are going to put t is equal to minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3. So what is your answer then? That is equal to minus 8. What about the right hand side of the equation? Right hand side you have 3t minus 5, correct? Okay, so now what I should do now? I should put t is equal to minus 1, correct? So 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So what you have got now? 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 5 and your answer is minus 8. So what you have got is your left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. Correct. So whatever the value you have got, that is t is equal to minus 1 is the solution value for this particular equation. Correct, children? So your question number 2 is over. So now let us do the next problem, that is 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. So similar to the previous problem, we are taking all the variables to one side and all the constant to the other side. So you have got 6 minus 3 now. It implies 2z is equal to 3. It implies what will be your z value? So z is equal to 3 by 2. Now let us check our answer. So left hand side is equal to 4z plus 3. So you put z is equal to 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. So that is equal to 2 got 2 4 got cancel out. You have 6 and the answer is 9. What about your right hand side? So right hand side you have 6 plus 2z, correct? So putting z is equal to 3 by 2 here. So plus 2 into 3 by 2. So this 2 and the 2 here got cancelled out and you got 9 here as well. So what you have obtained is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Correct or not? So what is the solution value to this equation? You had got z is equal to 3 by 2. So the solution which you have obtained is absolutely correct. So this is your solution value. So these are very simple question. Correct, students? Okay. So now let us go to the next problem, that is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So as usual, what we will do, because there is a bracket involved here, so let us open up the bracket by doing the required operation. So what is the operation here? It is multiplication, right? So 3x minus 3 plus 7. Am I correct? Yes, hopefully I am correct now. So now what next? I am taking all the variable to the one side. So 8x Here it was plus 3x, transposing to other side, that is minus 3x. Now taking this variable to the other side, that becomes minus 4. So minus 3 plus 7 and minus 4. So you have here 8x minus 3x is 5x, correct? So 5x is equal to how much? So minus 3 plus 7 is how much? It is plus 4, right? So plus 4 and minus 4, that becomes 0. What about your x value then? So 0 by anything is equal to 0. So it's here anything is 5, okay? So that is equal to 0. So x value is 0 here. So let us check whether we are correct or not. So your left hand side is what? 8x plus 4. So 8x plus 4. Putting x is equal to 0. You have 8 into 0 plus 4 and your answer is 4. What about your right hand side? So right hand side you have 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. 0 into minus 1 is how much? Minus 1. So it is minus 3 plus 7, that is equal to plus 4 again. So you had got LHS equal to 4 and here also it is 4. So your LHS is equal to RHS. So whatever the value you have got for x was correct. So your solution value is x is equal to 0. Correct, children? So now let us do the next problem. Okay, so here you have fraction. Don't worry, this is also easy. So let us try. So what I am going to do is, it's same. We have to take all the variable to one side. So 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equal to minus 1 plus 3. It implies you take 15 as LCM or the denominator. So here you need to multiply 5. So you have 10x minus 7x. So that is equal to minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. So it implies, so here you got 3x by 15. So 3x by 15 is nothing but equal to 1 by 5. So what is the value of x then? X is equal to, so 2 into 15 divided by 3, which is nothing but equal to 5. So 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. So what is the solution value you have got? X is equal to 10. Shall we check then? So left hand side of the equation is given to be 2x by 3 plus 1. Now what is the value of 10 you have got? That is, what is the value of x you have got? It is 10, right? So 2 into 10 divided by 3 plus 1. So how much you got? It is 20 by 3 plus 1. So that is 23 divided by 3. So let us check the right hand side of the equation, that is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Correct? So we are putting x is equal to 10. So that is 70 divided by 15 plus 3. So what you got is 70 plus 45 divided by 15. So that means it is equal to 70 plus 45, that is 115 divided by 15. So you can bring it to the shortest form. So lowest form, so you will get, so you divide it by 5, so you will get 23 divided by 3, which is nothing but equal to the left hand side. So left hand side is found to be equal with right hand side by putting the value of x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 is the solution to the given equation. Correct, children? Okay. So now I will go to question number 10. It looks simpler, correct? So shall we do that? So 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So as usual, so let us take the variable to one side. 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. So you are getting minus 2m is equal to minus 8 divided by 5. So what's the value of m then? So m is equal to 8 divided by 5 into 2. So you have got the answer as 4 by 5. So let us check our answer. So how you are going to do that? Correct. So you have to put m is equal to 4 by 5 in LHS and RHS. If it is found out to be equal, then your solution is correct. So 3m, that is 3 into 4 by 5. So you are getting 12 divided by 5. What about your RHS? So your RHS is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So now you put m is equal to 4 by 5. So 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. So here your 5 and 5 is getting cancelled and you are getting 20 minus 8 divided by 5, that is equal to 12 divided 5, which is nothing but equal to your LHS. Right? So your left hand side of the equation is found out to be equal to right hand side of the equation with your solution value. So what is your solution value then? So your solution is m is equal to 4 by 5. So this is your solution. Correct, children? So hope after solving so many problems, your fundamental of solving the equation in which variables will be there in the left hand side and right hand side is clear for you. And I hope the remaining 5 question of exercise 2.3, that means all the odd number of problem you are going to solve it, and in case of any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends. Correct, children? Thank you so much for your patient hearing, and please follow us in YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and download the app and enroll yourself. So till the next class, bye, take care.